Hello, how you doing? Today we're going to make this spicy, dry, fried potato. Plenty of chilies in there. It really is beautiful. Vegan, vegetarian, healthy, delicious. Let's get moving. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so in here I've got like 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using the sunflower oil. You can change that if you want. Let's take a look at our potatoes. 3 cups of potatoes. I've peeled them. They're raw. They're not parboiled or anything. Cut into kind of bite-sized pieces. 2 teaspoons cumin seeds. In they go. We're just going to fry them around as the heat heats up. I've just put the heat on above medium. Back in a couple of minutes. So that minute or so is just infuse that oil with the cumin seeds. Don't skip this point. Okay, in go the potatoes. We're going to fry these around for about 4 minutes or so. So these potatoes have been going for about 4 minutes. Got a little bit of colour on them. Still a little bit hard. We're now going to add 1 cup of sliced onion. And we're going to go for another 3 to 4 minutes. Keep it moving a little bit more frequently now. Fabulous stuff. Next up, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Ginger garlic paste is a 50-50 mix of the 2. I'm also now going to add some salt. And we're going to go for another 3 or 4 minutes. Again, moving this fairly often. Really fabulous here. Loving this one. We're now going to go in with a teaspoon of turmeric and chili powder. Little stir there. And I like just these 2 spices in there. You could put cumin and coriander in if you wanted, but I love just these 2. We're then going to add our fresh chili, which is quite a lot. I've slit mine down the middle, and I've also kept the seeds in. You can adjust this, add more or less, up to you. Keep it moving all the time now for 2 minutes. Great stuff. Now, fresh tomato, 2 cups or 1 decent sized one. Try and use a nice ripe juicy tomato there. 3 minutes again, stir frying it all around. The tomato should break down a little bit and give us a little bit of moisture. Love it. Okay, off goes the heat. That is fabulous. Those potatoes are lovely and tender. Super, super stuff. Okay, and there we have it. We've got a lovely bowl of very spicy, beautiful fried potatoes. Vegan, vegetarian, healthy, I suppose. Beautiful stuff. Keep safe, keep well. See you soon. Lots of love. Hello, thanks a lot for stopping by How to Cook Great. Now, if you like what you see, there's over 3,000 other cooking videos on our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll try and get back to you.